Now let's plan to take some screenshots. So in this case, here I can take the screenshot. Like if it is existing, then chalo show me the screenshot before closing it. Okay, so that I can simply take this here to take a screenshot. So what screenshot you want to take? Dot capture bitmap, and where you want to store it. Just show the location. Okay, in my framework actually I have something called results. In that I have screenshot. For the past I have few, and for the failed also have few, one folder. So actually to write in the past, the screenshot should be, and the path of it, right, pop up dot bitmap. Okay, yeah, simple. And at the end also I have given one condition. If file is uploaded successfully, then we can click on it, right? So even I want to take that as a screenshot before clicking on that. Capture bitmap and give the same location. It's a pass, right? Just name it as resume. Resume. Same thing, if it is failed, even it should write fail and it should capture the framework, and that should be in fail actually, not in pass now. Okay. So before printing it, let's capture it. But it should be written in the fail, not in the pass. I have two folders in sh, fail and pass. So there it should write it. Very simple. So now even my screenshots are ready. Perfect. So the very important one is invoking the browser. It is some line throwing error at line number 30. What is that? Expected end of the statement. Yes, if has been successfully ended. If and if Okay, done. Now we have almost done everything. So let's move back to our file and let's check it. One thing, invoking the browser is left. Okay, so invoking the browser, that depends on IE or Chrome, that depends on the Excel file, right? So we'll take one more thing to invoking the browser, a new action called invoke. To the same test, let's call a new action, design, call to new action. All I'm taking reusable actions only. You know what is reusable and non-reusable actions? Invoke, perfect. So this invoke should work by taking the data from the Excel sheet, right? So from this Excel sheet, I need to take the data and accordingly it should work. If it is Internet Explorer, you should invoke the Internet Explorer, right? Yes. So directly let's start with the condition statement here. First of all, let's get the value. Data table dot value. Browser is obviously a column name and sheet name would be data sheet, right? Data sheet. So it takes that data into one variable. Browse if browse is equal to internet ex, what is it? Exp, internet exp. Then system util dot run and just take the path of IE, Internet Explorer path, internet exp. No, it doesn't work. Okay, so what we do is we'll try to create that without the space. This works. Even in the Excel sheet also, let's make some changes. This should be internet exp. So let us save this file to this PC. There is a framework, right? And we have a data sheet. So here let me save it as test data dot xls or else naukri dot xls. So let it be test data, and let me just save it. Perfect. Okay. Oh, now let's plan this. So here, depending on the data what I get from that browser, this should invoke whether Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. So that's see in the next